date lang.
Coffee day.
Okay.
Coffee day lang.
Coffee day because we're hangover.
Hangover.
Hangover sila.
Yes. I hear that you ladies are hungover from too much drinking.
Yeah, except me.
Siya naka-reply na ako.
Dami oras na kalos, utso na.
Gate. Gana ba kita mo? Okay naman tato siya saya pero
Well,
kailangan
Fatima, I have a good idea.
manangin.
I think we should plan a camping trip with the Sirok Girls.
Yeah, please. I want that.
Camping after you.
Nahanas girla, di ba kaboy makasuot ka
I'm
na?
into camping also.
You like camping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ako sa dili.
Okay, baby. All right, well, ladies, you have a good time. You have a good time. And, hey, girl.
Thank you, Marcus.
Hey, that's Ruby. Oh, hey.
Yes, kailan sa ni mo ro? Kailan sa ni mo ro?
Where has Ruby been? Where you been?
Where have you been daw?
Where you been though?
Where have you been?
She's
Shy.
speechless.
You've been hiding.
Yeah.
Vacation.
She's having a vacation in Ivy's house.
Oh, she went on vacation. Okay.
Yeah.
But she's back now. What about if the salary is just my good cooking?
Gate. Ba't tira ba kayo kamluto?
Maybe
Mga
you
yaya
guys-
tis Rupiana.
Never mind.
Hi guys.
Wow,
Okay, I will bring some of my clothes here and then we'll just move anytime we want.
Okay, good idea.
Good idea. Bot-bot ni mo matos.
Okay, guys.
You're so bot-bot.
You have a good heart, Marcos.
Guys.
Okay, have a good time this morning.
Okay, thank you.
Eh, baba.
Why are you so pretty?
Always na lang.
Grabe na na.
Why are you
Always
so
pa na.
beautiful, baby? I got a question for you, baby. I'm gonna try my
Magmailo daw si Ruby o si ate.
Bakit ikaw maganda po?
Michelle.
Ano sabi niya?
Bakit ikaw maganda po?
Oh, girl. Ang sabi ni Carla,
Bakit ikaw maganda po?
sabi niya, sige na.
Marquitas, say it.
Bakit ikaw maganda po, te?
Ah!
Do you know what's the meaning of that?
It means, why are you so beautiful, baby?
Your wife is so beautiful.
Oh yeah, she's pretty too, but I was talking to you.
You're talking to me? Oh, thank you for appreciating my beauty though. Thank you.
You got the fashion award today too.
What? But
You got the good-
Fatima
you
is
got the
more
good
beautiful. Fatima is more beautiful.
She's beautiful, but you got the fashion too.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
But then I need to wear.
Ballpen, wala. Ewan ko, meron akong pencil.
Maybe I'm not for my tummy anymore.
Passionate ko na si Girle.
Then I'll teach Fatima.
Yes.
Ay, sika. Di ko kay bawa ni sika.
Ako lang natin.
Oo.
I don't know how to, that one.
Tama naman yung kat.
I'll ask her to buy. No, maybe you'll be the
Pero
one.
be, magaksan ko, be.
Maybe you'll be the one to buy Fatima.
Tagabalay mo na sila.
She doesn't buy.
Himala lagi, nalagi ka.
Sino steamer mo?
She's the one who's buying.
Ay,
So
oo.
maybe
Turo, te.
you should buy.
Ako nang gibutan dito, te.
That's a good idea, but she has many clothes up there, but she only wants to wear the comfort.
Tapak mo rin kanuan eh.
Maybe
Tagsa kay kung palit eh.
To wear it outside.
Maybe.
Okay naman.
Quick ra.
Yeah.
Mas ganahan mo itong kuha na itong
Orange.
orange. Mga bata,
That
ganahan
looks
natin.
delicious.
Yeah, that's why you go home now.
Amo.
Yeah, I got a house full of ladies there, and I'm all alone here.
Kuya siya, eh.
Diyan lang sa Thailand. Diyan lang sa Thailand ay naguli.
Okay, ladies, you have a good time.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Y'all have a good time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, beautiful ladies.
Thank you, sir.
Nakalamang.
Oh, pasigara, te. Te.
Girly, nagpailo na taas ang gahuan ang kaya.
Uy, okay lang upuan ko to dahil.
Anak ko si Kala, anak ko si Kato kasi. Oh, dili kasi.
Madam,
Ay, ikaw din gusto niyo. Girl, gusto ko makita mo sa. Si Ka, anak ko.
best eh.
Sa akin to? Hindi ka pa naman nagising ni Joy kanina para magluto lang nito.
Ano sa na?
Binantayan ko na naman, kaya nag-usok-usok na naman ang
Ay, girl,
bahay.
ayan na, girl. Di ba nung ano, wala ako.
Punta na kami kahapon ng palengke, no?
Natapig na mo naman itong
Nagtaon
na
lagi taon niya, wako kakawag saging.
Magkuha ka sa kaplato dito, tikaw.
Kuha ka plato, ano, bilat.
Papa naman.
Shanghai baby.
Bilat. Bilat to.
Magawa dahil kay kita mo. At isa pag plato.
Bugas na ron.
Sa bang hugas ano dahil ako ahara na text ko.
Ano, mag-inidor mo.
Ay kung nga dahil dapat para ko.
Talaga mo to na nino?
Asa din ko ano ka? Thank you, Dai, for
Dahil wala kang kanin.
Hi guys! Thank you Fatima and Marcus
Let's
for
have coffee.
letting us stay here and
hala to aray mo Milo. Dara ka ho tulong matang mag-Milo.
Sa rice cooker, oy. Tayo pa lang yung nangalahati, no? Sige ka kareklamo, naubos mo din. Tay ka. Pero, tapos sige, aray ko. Sige siya kareklamo kapot dami daw, pero ubos.
Hi guys!
Let's
Let's have breakfast. Thank you Fatima for accommodating us.
Hindi mo gano'n din.
Thank you so much.
Bad.
May baon ka, Jess?
Uy, si Kuya Dan tidak.
Wala? At iupan din mo mga bata.
Ano ko?
Uruskan mo, gani.
Muban doon ka mo. Kaya mag-vlog doon ka dito.
Hanggang. Kita na mas.
Dali, ang dili, dahil ang matalas eh. Kano, tayo kung okay lang ba daw masakot yung bana ba? Mag-vlog dito sa yung balay.
Dili tanan ko na mga private dili.
Nung kato lang atong ginabuhat eh, ang vlogan.
Ano naman pati mangot naman naglingkod. Okay ra na sige man sa paglingkod.
Diba? Bago ka na ganit ba?
Nakahapon ko na sa lingkod.
Ha?
Ako ko na ito sa akin. Nakadalawang sakmin ako.
Ug magdagan sa dinas unsa man ang gusto mo.
Buhat na girly kay.
Ako ka may kauban, duha-duha, puro man mga ban. Dali pod ko.
Isod na ba kayo kasi makitaan ba? Hindi ba pwede dito kasi mahal ko na yung mga kabutan.